Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to securely delete Apple Intelligence data on your Mac. If Apple Intelligence is taking up storage space on your Mac, or you simply do not use its AI-powered features, turning it off is an easy way to reclaim valuable space and reduce unnecessary background resources. Apple Intelligence can store downloaded models for writing tools, Siri improvements, and other smart features, which may consume several gigabytes over time. Thankfully, macOS lets you disable the feature and remove its stored data in just a few simple steps. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to hit the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the System Settings option in the left sidebar. And once the settings window opens, scroll through the sidebar and choose Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Now you have to look for the toggle switch next to Apple Intelligence and turn it off. Your Mac may display a confirmation message asking if you want to disable the feature. Now you have to click Turn off Apple Intelligence to confirm the action. After confirming, macOS will begin removing downloaded Apple Intelligence assets, including local AI models used for writing tools, Siri enhancements, and other supported features. This can help recover several gigabytes of storage depending on how much data was installed on your Mac. And once the process is complete, you have to restart your Mac. Restarting helps the system clear temporary files and refresh storage calculations so the free space appears correctly. After your Mac turns back on, you can check your available storage by going to System Settings app, General, Storage, and clicking on the Info button located right next to macOS listing. Now you have to wait a moment while macOS recalculates the storage categories. Keep in mind that Apple Intelligence is built into macOS, so it cannot be fully uninstalled like a regular app. However, turning it off removes downloaded data and prevents those AI tools from running. If you ever want to use the features again later, you can simply return to the same settings page and enable Apple Intelligence again on your Mac. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily get rid of Apple Intelligence data on your Mac in order to recover a lot of free space on your device. Now that you have unlocked this helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.